Hi, my name is Dr. Stephen Tompa, and I currently reside in Virginia Beach. I'm originally from Charleston, West Virginia, and when I lived in Charleston, I earned my master's degrees in communication studies from West Virginia University and management information systems from Marshall University. And during the time of graduations, I had thought long and hard about what did I want to do next. And I have always thought about doing a PhD, but didn't get there yet. Around 2011, I decided to move to Virginia, here to Virginia Beach, and I started working in healthcare. And it was during this recent time frame, in the last 2011, 4, 5, 6 years ago, I started thinking, I want to do a PhD in health services with concentration in healthcare administration. So I did some research, and I found Walden University to be one of the best universities that I could possibly choose. They're known for social change, giving back to the community, and those were some of the most important factors to me in deciding where to pursue my PhD. So I chose Walden, and I am proud now to be a PhD graduate in health services with concentration in healthcare administration. And I just have to say, I have to thank Winston, because it was my little study buddy here, my little assistant through that whole time frame that helped get me through my studies. So thank you, Winston. Tell everybody hi. And he is also the pet idol of Hampton Roads for station 93.7, Bob FM. So, Winston, yeah, I had him on the radio. He was like, "Dad, why are you doing that?" So, let's talk about the PhD and something that's impactful that's been in my life that has shaped who I am today. And thinking back into about 2008, I started to have some sleep problems. I was having insomnia. I couldn't sleep. The sleep deprivation eventually led to sleep psychosis, where it's just a very serious condition that I needed to get help. And I was blessed by a good team of folks in healthcare that helped me. And then after I got my help and got my sleep problems under control, that's when I wanted to go help others. And I went through all of the educational avenues that I needed to do so. And that's what brought me here to Virginia Beach back in 2010. And then after being in the field of sleep, clinical sleep health, that's when I decided to pursue the PhD in health services with concentration in healthcare administration. So that is what actually shaped who I am today. And the things that intrigue me about sleep and healthcare is that I'm giving help to others. I currently work for a hospital and rotate among 6 different locations here in the southeast region of Virginia. And it's the passion of going in each day and you see different patients and helping them and taking care of them and knowing that you're fixing problems that you once had. You're giving back. The sleep problems that I had in 2008, I'm helping people today with similar problems. And so that's why I decided to do my dissertation research in sleep. And what I started to do is, during the process of my research, I was able to interview parents. And the parents were in the 13 states, the bottom left corner of the United States. And so I started interviewing the parents about their children. And the reason I did this was there's a problem where healthcare administrators do not fully understand parental perspectives, that they can make things better for teenagers, so that teenagers don't have the comorbidities such as heart problems and lung problems and pulmonary disease and high blood pressure and all of the factors that are associated with poor sleep. So And the dissertation research that I did, I've actually went and presented it in Richmond, and Washington, D.C., and in a few other places for national sleep conferences. And I was able to share that information with healthcare administrators who make decisions today on how to manage the hospitals and what to do and how to get information out about improving sleep. So I've been able to present my research at some of these areas, and I was able to interview parents in the 13 states of the southeastern region. But what I would like to do is just take this research out on the road, even further across the whole United States. And that's where Roadtrip Nation could help me get the word out from the research that I've done with Walden University, and share the information from other parents about how to make their kids more successful. And you know, what's even fascinating now is if I were selected for this trip and I could interview one person, that would be Jean Watson. She's one of the theorists in my dissertation seminal research, and she's known for the theory of, let me find her book here, it is Theory of Caring Science. And she's written books after books, Compassion and Fatigue, and Nursing. So nurses know who she is. She's like the Florence Nightingale in the nursing industry. And what I did is I used her theory to build upon so that I could take that about parents caring for their children and build upon Jean Watson's ideas into my research with healthcare and sleep hygiene. So I would like to meet her and ask her what advice she would have for PhD students, people thinking about going and getting a PhD of their own. What advice would she give to them, you know, to be able to pursue their dreams, like what she's earned her PhD, I've earned what we've done, what advice would she give? And more importantly, that I'd like to ask her what inspires her to inspire others. And the reason I want to ask her that is because I want to know the answer to that, because I am now adjunct teaching for 3 universities. And on Monday nights, I have 2 classes. I see 50 students. On Tuesdays, I see another 50. And then on Wednesday, I see another 50. And I want to know how to inspire others. And I think that's a question that she could answer for me. And, you know, and then how to motivate people to pursue their education and getting their dreams and so forth. And that's what I would like to be with, teamed with Road Nation, so that I could give and share my knowledge through my educational journey and share the knowledge that I have with others. Thank you.